Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we are looking at the question 1A of the BECE Past Question, that is BECE 2026. So the question says that given that k equals 1, 2, 3 up to 11, list the prime numbers in k and ii. Find the probability that a number selected at random from the set k is not a prime number. So let's first write out the data that has been given in the question. We have k equals 1, 2, 3 up to 11. So that is what has been given. Okay, so we have this data from the question, and the I says that we should list the prime numbers in k. We know that prime numbers are numbers that have only two factors, that is 1 in the number itself. 1 is not a prime number. The first prime number is 2. So if we are listing prime numbers, prime numbers in k, that is going to be this set. So the first prime number is going to be 2, the second prime number is going to be 3, the next prime number is 5 because 4 is not a prime number. The next prime number is going to be 7 because 6 is also not a prime number. 8 is not a prime number. 9 is not a prime number. 10 is not a prime number. So the last prime number is going to be 11. So this is the set of prime numbers in the set k that has been given. And the second part of the question says that find the probability that a number selected at random from the set k is not a prime number. So first of all, we have to also list out the numbers that are not prime numbers, that is composite numbers in the set k. So composite numbers, or let's just say not prime numbers, not prime in k, numbers that are not prime in k. So that's going to be the set 1, then we have 4 because 2 and 3 are here, then we have 6, 7 is a prime number, so we have 8, we have 9, and then we have 10. So these are the numbers that are not prime in the set k that was given. And we have to find what? The probability that a number that will be selected at random from the set k is not a prime number. So first we have to know the total number of elements in this set that we have listed here. So the total number is going to be, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means this is our successful outcomes. So we can name it S. So the total number of successful outcomes is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. That is the total number of successful outcomes, or the numbers that are not prime in the set k. And we know that probability of S is going to be the number of successful outcomes over the total number of outcomes. So which is, the total number of elements inside of K. First of all, we need to know the total number of elements in a set K. If we are even listing the numbers in a set K fully, we are going to get this. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So let's count them. Let's count the number of outcomes in the set K. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the number of outcomes in a set K is 11. And that implies that the probability of having an element in a set K which is not a prime number, the number of elements which are not prime numbers are 6, and then the total number of elements in a set K is 11. So it means that the probability of choosing a number which is not prime, the probability of choosing a number not prime in the set K is 6 out of 11. So this is how we solve the question 1A of the BECE 2026. Kindly subscribe to the channel to help our channel grow. See you in another video. Goodbye.